To make many changes to a pricing plan at the same time, it is often easier to export the information to an Excel file, make the changes on the Excel spreadsheet, and then re-import the data into AlfaLine. We will now go through the procedure to do this. To export a pricing plan, click the Create CSV File button. The CSV file will automatically be saved to your Downloads folder. When you re-import the CSV file, the file must be imported in the same format as the one exported. No product line should be deleted, and you should not add, delete, or change any products between when you do the CSV export and when you re-import with the changed prices. Only change the prices including VAT and the VAT codes as needed.
Open your Downloads folder and locate the exported pricing plan. This should automatically open in Excel. From here, we can change the prices including VAT individually, or we can increase all the prices by a percentage.
To increase all the prices by a percentage, we need to use a formula in an empty column on the spreadsheet. We'll use column L, and we need to enter the formula equals to start the formula. We'll use the eat-in prices including VAT, which is the value in column E. So click on the first value in column E, the star for times, and 1.1 to times by 10%. To times by 20%, we'd enter 1.2, 30%, 1.3, and so on and so on. Press enter to complete the formula, and we have our new value. To repeat this formula for all the eat-in prices, we can drag using the square box in the corner of the cell. We now have a range of new values which increase the eat-in price including VAT by 10%. If we'd want to increase the take-out price including VAT, we would have selected column I instead of column E. Finally, we need to replace the original prices in column E with the new prices in column L. To do this, we first need to copy the values in column L to another empty column. Select all the new values in column L, select copy, select another empty column. For this we'll use column N, and we'll start on the same row as the first new value. Select the arrow below paste to enter the paste dialog box, and select paste values. We do this to ensure that only the values are selected and not the formula that we entered into column L. You may need to adjust the decimal points in the new column to only show 2. To do this, select the whole column, right-click, select Format Cells, go to Number, and ensure that 2 decimal places is selected. Finally, select the values in column N, again choose Copy,
Now select the original values, eating including VAT prices, in column E, and click Paste. We now have our new values, including the 10% increase, in column E. Once this is done, the values in column L and N can be deleted. Select all the columns and hit delete. Now save the spreadsheet. Click Yes when this dialog box appears. It is now needed to re-import the spreadsheet into AlfaLine. To import the new pricing plan, go back onto AlfaLine, select the pricing plan, and click Choose File. Locate and select the new pricing plan CSV file, and click Import from File. The new prices will now be imported onto AlfaLine. One final point on pricing plans. If the price of an item is left at 0 and the request price box is left unticked, then this item will sell on AlfaPoint with a price of 0. If the price of an item is left at 0 and the request price box is ticked, then the operator will be asked to specify a price for this item when the item is selected on AlfaPoint.